evening, everyone. Welcome to today's meditation. Please lie down in a comfortable position or sit down, whatever is comfortable to you. You want to sit on the chair, you want to lie on the bed, just be relaxed. Just be relaxed and focus on the sensations of your body. Your total body should be relaxed in comfortable position. Gently close your eyes. And now bring your awareness to the breath. Feel each breath as it comes in and as it goes out. Just the breath come in, go out. Let it be the way it is. Don't force. Don't try to change. Breathe in, breathe out. Again, breathe in, breathe out. Let the breath on its own pace and rhythm. As you sit or lie down with closed eyes, get an image in your mind of beautiful mountains you have ever seen or you can imagine. Focus and see the mountains in a visual image. Notice how massive it is, how solid the mountains is, how unmoving, how beautiful from far or close. Feel the shape of the mountain, its peak high in the sky. The mountain you are imagining has the snow blanket in the top. Beautiful mountain. There may be streams and waterfalls down the slopes of the mountain. How beautiful the waterfall is. The white snow peak melting into the waterfall from the mountain. Observing it, notice the qualities of the mountain. Feel ready. Now bring the mountain into your own body, sitting here so that your body and the mountain in your mind's eye become one. So that you sit here, you share in the massiveness and the stillness and the majesty of the mountain. You become the mountain, grounded in the sitting posture. Your head becomes the peak of the mountain, supported by the rest of your body. Your shoulders and arms are the sides of the mountain. Your buttocks and legs, the solid base, rooted to your cushion or your chair or your bed. Experiencing in your body a sense of uplift from deep within your pelvis and spine. With each breath, as you continue sitting or lying down, becoming a little more a breathing mountain, alive and vital, yet unwavering in your inner stillness, completing what you are beyond words and thought. A centered, grounding, unmoving presence as you sit or lie down, becoming aware of the fact that as the sun travels across the sky, the light and shadows and colors are changing virtually moment by moment in the mountain's stillness, and the surface teems with life and activity. Melting snow, waterfalls, plants, wildlife. As the mountain sits, seeing and feeling how night follows day and day follows night, the bringing warming sun, followed by the cool night sky, studded with stars, and the gradual drawing of a new day. In summer, there is no snow on the mountain, except perhaps for the very peaks or in crags shielded from direct sunlight. In the fall, the mountain may wear a coat of brilliant fire colors. In winter, a blanket of snow and ice. In any season, it may find itself at times in clouds or fog or freezing rain. People may come to see the mountain and comment how beautiful it is, or how it's not a good day to see the mountain, that it's too cloudy or rainy or foggy or dark. None of this matters to the mountain, which remains at all times its essential self. Clouds may come, clouds may go, tourists may come, tourists may like or not like. The mountain's magnificence and beauty are not changed one bit by whether people see it or not, seen or unseen, in sun or clouds. At times, visited by violent storms, puffed by snow and rains and winds of unthinkable magnitude, though it all, the mountain sits. Spring comes, Tree leaves out, flowers bloom in the high meadows. Birds sing in the trees once again. Stream overflow with the waters of melting snow. Through it all, the mountain continues to sit, unmoved by the weather, by what happens on its surface, by the world of appearances remaining its essential self through the seasons, the changing weather, the activity. In the same way, as we sit in meditation, we can learn to experience the mountain. We can embody the same central, same stillness and groundedness in the face of everything that changes in our own lives over seconds, over hours, over years. In our lives and in our meditation practice, we experience constantly the changing nature of mind and body and of outer world. We have own periods of light and darkness, activity, inactivity, movement of colors, moments of darkness. It's true that we experience storms, we experience the violence of outer world in our own minds, bodies. We experience so much in our life. By becoming a mountain in our meditation we practice, we can link up with its strength and stability and adopt them for our own. We can use its energies and support our energy to encounter each moment with mindfulness and clarity. It may help us to see that our thoughts and feelings, our emotional storms and crises, even the things that happen to us, are very much like the weather on the mountain. We tend to take it all personally, but its strongest characteristic is impersonal. The weather of our own lives is not to be ignored or denied. It is to be encountered, honored, felt, known for what it is, and held in awareness. So, in the time that remains in counting to sustain the mountain meditation on our own in silence, moment by moment, until you hear the sound. So, if you find you resonate in the same way with the strength and stability of the mountain in your sitting, it may be helpful to use it from time to time in your meditation practice to remind yourself of what it means to sit mindfully with resolve and with wakefulness in true stillness. Mountains have this to teach us more and more